Hello everyone, this is Kavita Kapoor. Today I am going to tell you a story, a beautiful story that can transform your life completely. In this story, I'll tell you 3 valuable pieces of advice that will help you to pacify you and to transform your life completely. I hope that you would like this story. I listened this story through a video and I really wanted to share this story with you all. That's why I decided to make this video and to tell this story to you. Here I start my story. Once a man was walking in a forest. He happened to see an exotic bird there. By being charmed by it and wanting to have it as a pet, the man tiptoed towards it from behind and caught it. To his utter surprise, the bird started talking and it said to the man, "Please release me. In return, I shall give you 3 gems, 3 valuable pieces of advice that can transform your life completely. I'll give you the first one when you let me go, the second one when I fly to that branch of the tree, and the third one when I fly to the very top of this tree, to the crown of the tree." The man instantly agreed and let the bird go. As soon as it was freed and told, "Here's the first gem, the first valuable piece of advice. Do not torture, torment or burden yourself with excessive regret for your past mistakes." As the man pondered for what he had just heard, the bird flew and set to that branch of the tree and spoke back, "Here's the second valuable piece of advice. Do not believe on anything that goes against common sense unless you have first-hand proof." After giving the second valuable piece of advice, the bird flew up high and sat on the crown of the tree, to the very top of the tree. It started laughing and said to the man, "You are a fool. Inside of me are 2 huge precious jewels. If you would have kept me and killed me instead of letting me go, you would have been the master of these 2 precious jewels. You would have become so rich." "Oh my God," the man exclaimed. "How could I have been so foolish? I'm not going to forget this foolishness for the rest of my life." After that, the man said, "Oh bird, please give me at least the last valuable piece of advice. Maybe that would have the potential to pacify me." The bird said, "I was just testing you. Did you even realize that you have disregarded the first 2 valuable pieces of advice I gave you? I told you in the first advice, do not torture, torment or burden yourself with excessive regret for your past mistakes. And yet you tormented yourself with regret for letting me go. You disregarded the second advice as well. In the second advice, I told you that do not believe on anything that goes against common sense unless you have first-hand proof. For some reason, believing that there could be 2 huge jewels inside a tiny bird like me. But if you are asking about the further piece of advice, here it is. If you are not applying what you already know, there is no point being so intent on gaining what you do not know." Saying so, the bird flew away and the man got his 3 valuable pieces of advice that could transform his life completely. Ladies and gentlemen, don't be too harsh to yourself. Don't punish yourself. Don't torment yourself for the things that have been already done and that cannot be undone. Be smart, be sharp and learn the lesson from your life. Thank you.